Meet Mariana. Mariana is a chef who teaches others how to cook amazing food online. Mariana needs to make additional income to help her son with college expenses. Mariana asked her friends about ways she could quickly find more clients for her online cooking lessons and discovered a new how-to marketplace for people seeking lessons or advice on just about anything, bitlively. bitlively is an all-in-one one-to-one video coaching platform that connects experienced coaches to learners willing to pay for their professional services. Mariana simply created a free coach's profile, set a rate and schedule, sent out her custom bitlively URL, and connected with learners who paid Mariana to teach them how to cook. Mariana gained the extra clients and earned the extra income she needed, and helped her son with his college expenses. Find more clients. Stop wasting time on the little things. bitlively.